Hey, what's up, Verasity holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another urgent alert news of the Verasity. So keep watch this video till the end because this video is going very important, very urgent for all Verasity holders, my friends. In this video, first of all, we discuss the latest price of the Verasity, and after that, we discuss the next move of the Verasity. And a lot of people also ask questions about the Verasity coin, that when will the price pump? Is there a chances to the price move upward or not? So I will try to answer your question, but before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, at this time the Verasity price is going wrong, my friends, but now at this time price is 0.01 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Verasity. And the market cap, you can see here the 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Verasity. You can see here every update you can see on the screen on the front of your eyes, my friends. But you know what, my friends, I'm very worrying about the Verasity future. The price changes is going wrong. The whole changes is going wrong. The last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 1 week pricing is negative. That is why the people ask me questions that is there is a chance to the price pump, and when will the price pump? So my friends, my prediction at this time is negative. And my prediction is that there is no chance to the price pump. There is no chance to the price pump, my friends, to the next 2 days, 3 days. And after 2-3 days, there is again chance to the price pump. We can't say about the future, maybe they tomorrow first, but my prediction and my technical analysis, my research tell us that after 2 days they take a pump. So how you can save yourself from loss, my friends? How you can save yourself from loss? There is only one way, my friends. If you decide to hold, so you will get safe from loss. On the other side, if you decide to sell, so absolutely there is no way to save yourself from loss. If you decide to sell, so absolutely you are in the loss, because the last 1 month, last 1 week pricing is negative, so you are in the loss. And if you hold, maybe in the future the price pump and you will get a profit. So what do you think about Verasity? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.